Hey everybody, Courtney Smith here, and I want to do an analysis of Zoom Video. This is a company, of course, that's been a very, very sexy stock, particularly since the COVID hit. Everybody's doing Zoom calls, and as a result, everybody's super, super bullish. But let's take a deeper look and see if there's any opportunities on the short side. Okay, let's take a look. First of all, obviously, this is the chart here. It's doing great. We're making higher highs and higher lows. So that's a bull market. That means we should only be long. Let's take a look right here. Oh, see these little circles with minus signs? That's the insiders are selling. Now, that doesn't really mean anything because you work at Zoom, you receive options, you cash them out and take some cash in. So that's not bearish. What I'd really love is if there was a little plus sign, which means that people are buying it, the insiders are buying, but they're not buying this stock. Let's take a look over here in the upper left-hand corner. The key factor here is right here, 2021. The market expects earnings to skyrocket 600%. That's a monster increase in earnings, and they're expected to go up to $2.46. Now, in 2022, they're only expected to go up 10%. So this is really a short-term play on this exploding earnings, and that's why the price has gone up so much. But I'm looking at this and I'm saying, the PE is currently 377. Well, let's say that we get all of these earnings, all this earnings growth. That would mean we'd be making about $2.50 per share. Let's just round it off to make the math easy. The stock is currently trading at about $500. So if I take my steam-powered calculator and I say $500 divided by $2.50, that's a 200 to 1 PE. 200 to 1. But did I do the math right? I think so. So you see, even after the $2.50 gain in earnings, we're now at a 200 to 1 PE ratio, which is insane. Why? Because now the earnings are only expected to grow by 10%. Are the analysts so wrong that the earnings won't grow 10%? They'll grow 200%? I don't think so. I don't think so. For earnings to grow 200% in 2022, this thing would have to do your dishes and take out your garbage as well as do Zoom calls. So I think that the stock is already incredibly overvalued. All right? So to me, I look at a stock like this and I say, does it still have upside potential? Yeah, I guess so. But now we're in the faith zone rather than the hard-nosed, flinty-eyed, curmudgeonly zone of buying, okay? We're in the prayer zone where I'm praying that it's going to go higher. So this makes me very nervous. Now, would I sell it here? No, not in a million years. It's a bull market, don't you know? And I don't sell short bull markets. But would I buy it here? I can't. It's just incredibly overvalued. And in fact, I would instead be saying that we're probably closer to the end of this bull market than the beginning of the bull market. And that I should be looking for reasons to sell the stock, not buy the stock. All right, everybody. I know these little videos where I hammer on these popular stocks are probably not making me a very popular person. But I need to show you and I need to protect you from insanity, from manias, because that's how market works. They go from being too cheap to too expensive. And what happens is that when they get too expensive, everybody gets excited and they're really happy to go buy. But that, of course, is the worst time to buy. Don't forget the old market saying that when you're crying, you should be buying. And when you're yelling, you should be selling. And I think people are yelling right now for Zoom. Talk to you later.